I want you to go ahead and take a look at this device. What this is called is a camshaft. And what it is just some sort of shaft or axle turning several pieces, or what we call cams, in a cycle, in a 360-degree circle. And as it does, as it turns these pieces will push up on these little tiny other pieces, these blue pieces, which we call followers. So the axle or the shaft will turn the cams, which then push up on the followers. And this is essentially all a camshaft does. And it's kind of simple and kind of intuitive in how it works. You can see each follower goes up at a different time. They start going up the line. It's because it was built that way. And that's what we're going to be learning about how to create over the next few lessons and activities. So we can go ahead and close this out. We can actually start creating our own. So the first thing we need to do is go ahead and create a new project. And to do that, we need to open up our own file explorer. We need to go to desktop. I'll go back to our desktop. And in our desktop, we should have a file folder called Autodesk Files. And we're going to start ourselves a new folder. And let's go ahead and give it a name called Cams in Motion. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go into our J drive. So I'm going to open up a new one. So I'll right click and go to File Explorer. We're going to find our J drive, and that should be underneath this PC. If it's closed, open it up. So hold on, we'll open it back up. And you scroll down, it should be one of the very last ones. It should say Students FS3, Common AHS, Public J. Go ahead and double click on that. And within it, you will see Project Lead the Way, which is our program. We'll click on our class, which is IED, or Intro to Engineering Design. And let's go to Cams in Motion. And we'll look at various cams later on. Right now, let's just look at the assembly. And we're going to get all of the files, and we're going to put them in our new cam folder. So we're just going to copy all of them and drag them in to our new folder that we created. And so now what we can do is we can actually just copy all of these folders, not copy all the folders. Now that we have all the files copied, we can make a project folder connected to our new Autodesk file folder. And then we should be able to access all the files. So we go into, I'll do this again, we go into projects and we go to new. We go to new single user, yes. And we give it a name, let's call it again Cams, spelled correctly, in Motion. And then we connect it to the correct folder. So we go to this PC, we'll go to desktop, of course, and then mine's called Autodesk Files. Yours should be as well on your desktop. And we find the name of the folder we just created and we hit OK. And if we did it correctly, when we hit done, if we hit open, we should be able to see all of the files and even open them all up and take a look at them. So let's give it a second to load. And this will be our pair cam that we will be working with. And in the next video, I will show you how to put all of this together in an assembly.